Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can get the radio working on your Bose sound system. So if you have a look around the back, we have an option to plug in different aerials. It's got an AM aerial already built into it, so if you're struggling with reception, sometimes moving your Bose system left and right a bit can affect the AM signal. We have an FM option here, and we have a DAB option there. Right now I haven't got anything plugged into here, but AM will still work, and also DAB will still pick up some channels as well. So we need to turn it on either via the remote control or just tap in the top, and then we need to go to radio. Every time you hit radio, it's going to cycle between AM, FM and DAB, digital radio. So we've got FM there, press it again, it will go to digital radio, which is DAB, press it again and it will go to AM. So to tune it in, we've got two buttons down here and it says tune. If we hold the left one, it will go down. If we hold the right one, it will go up, and if you hold it down, it will go quicker. Yep. Now, let's say if you find a station that you like, then what you can do is you can preset it on that particular channel, AM. So we're going to hold down number 1 here. It says hold to set, and now that's under preset 1. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the preset buttons here on your remote control. And then when we go to DAB or FM, you have a whole load of different presets for those channels there. So if I hit radio, I'm going to go to digital radio here, DAB, and at the moment we're on BBC Radio 3. I can change between them by hitting these buttons here. So for example, if I go back one, it will be BBC Radio 2. This way, it will be Radio 3 again. And let's say now if I wanted to set BBC Radio 4 as a preset, what I can do then, again, I can press it 1 or any other button. It won't override the other one because that was under AM. So I hold that down there, and there we go, preset 1. If I go to Radio 2 here, I'm going to put that under preset 2. And now all I have to do is press 1 to go back to Radio 4, and then 2 to go to Radio 2. If I go back to AM, again it will automatically be on preset 1 there. So that's it, nice and straightforward to use. Thanks for watching.